Hey yo, what up, homie? It's Tony. Revenge is so sweet, and I move with artillery, roaming the streets. My guns is ginormous, bullets is heat-seeking. Big brother got the eye on me, I watch how I'm speaking, and I move like a porn star in charm school. I stick everything I see, but I only take jewels and cash rules, pills and that cocaine powder. I ain't a man, I'm a killer, obsessed with power and revenge. I don't need friends, it's shiesty activities. Move alone through the city that they call liberty, and trust nobody but my bullets and my shotty. Carjack a fool, twist his limbs like Pilates. Ox him, buck 50 stitch him. Chinatown walls, I chop him up like rice in the kitchen. It's a bad decision, starting beef with the butcher. He ain't a bleeder, I pop the son, your man is a gusher. Whoa, we run these streets like a renegade. Get that guap till the rent is paid. Hunt my prey in the cavalcade. Revenge is got when the boss is slave. Whoa, we run these streets like a renegade. Get that guap till the rent is paid. Hunt my prey in the cavalcade. Revenge is got when the boss is slave.
Clap on, clap off. Fake ass street thugs either need to act soft or cough. Feel 'em, metal fingers, steel drum. Clean the sidewalk with 'em, talk shit to real scum of the earth. Take it with a shovelful. Main character, super villain, lovable. And don the mask like the crown of thorns. Blow your horn and get pounded out by the gorn.
I take your order?
Let me get one wing. And he came to bring this thing for Chung King. No change, no stranger to gats. Took notice what's so strange is no cats. Dogs, this war is dud luck, draw straws. Buck the boss, drowned on blood and duck sauce. Stuck the enemy a whack deal paper. For racks of fake Fendi and stacks of real paper.
Whoa, we run these streets like a renegade. Get that guap till the rent is paid. Hunt my prey in the cavalcade. Revenge is got when the boss is slave. Whoa, we run these streets like a renegade. Get that guap till the rent is paid.